안녕하세요. Hello, this is Jin Sam, and this is the vocabulary for Unit 5. So in Unit 5, what we're going to learn is words for places and verbs and adjectives. Don't forget to listen and repeat each word out loud. Okay, the first word is a verb. So actually in Unit 3, we already learned some of the verbs, but there are more verbs that are used commonly on a daily basis. Okay, so don't forget to listen and repeat. So first word, to sleep, 자다, 자다. Next one, to play or to hang out, 놀다, 놀다. To leave, 살다, 살다. To help, 도와주다, 도와주다. To look for or to find, 찾다. This is the pronunciation. 찾다, 찾다. Next one, to wear or to put on. 입다, 입다. Next word, to grab or to catch. 잡다, 잡다. To open, 열다, 열다. To hear, 듣다, 듣다. To receive, 받다, 받다. To wash, 씻다, 씻다. To send, 보내다, 보내다. To close, 닫다, 닫다. To sell, 팔다, 팔다. To meet up, 만나다, 만나다. It's your turn to say the word. Listen to the word in English and say it in Korean. To sleep, 자다, 자다. Next word, to play or to hang out. 놀다, 놀다. To leave, 살다, 살다. To help, what's the word in Korean? 도와주다, 도와주다. To look for or to find. 찾다, 찾다. To wear or to put on. 입다, 입다. To grab or to catch. 잡다, 잡다. To open, 열다, 열다. What's the opposite word of 열다? To close? 닫다, 닫다. To hear? 듣다, 듣다. To receive? 받다, 받다. To wash? 씻다, 씻다. To send? 보내다, 보내다. To sell? 팔다, 팔다. To meet or to meet up? 만나다. Great job. So next word is adjectives. In Korean, 형용사, 형용사. So here, the word here in number 1, the word in number 2, it's opposite word. Okay, so the Korean word for cheap is 싸다. 싸다. So the opposite word, expensive, 비싸다. 비싸다. Next word, hot. So feel hot. For example, like the weather is hot. Then you use this word, 덥다. 덥다. But in winter, the weather is cold. So cold, feel cold, 춥다. 춥다. But if like the tea is hot, then you use the word 뜨겁다. 뜨겁다. And cold, like ice cream or ice, 차갑다. 차갑다. Easy, 쉽다. 쉽다. Opposite word, difficult, 어렵다. 어렵다. Interesting, fun. 재미있다. 재미있다. The opposite word of interesting, fun, 재미없다. 재미없다, which means not fun, not interesting. The last word is tasty or delicious. 맛있다. 맛있다. But the opposite word of 맛있다 is 맛없다. 맛없다, which is not tasty or not delicious. Now it's your turn to say the word. So what's the word for cheap? 싸다. Good. And the opposite word of 싸다, which is expensive. What's the word? 비싸다. Next word, hot. Feel hot for weather. Summer is hot. 덥다. Cold. Feel cold. The winter is cold. The word for cold, 춥다. Next one is hot, like the hot tea. 뜨겁다. 뜨겁다. What's the word for cold? Like ice cream. 차갑다. 차갑다. Easy. 쉽다. 쉽다. Opposite word, difficult. 어렵다. 어렵다. Interesting, fun. Remember this word? 재미있다. What's the opposite word of 재미있다? Not fun, not interesting. 재미없다. Last word, tasty, delicious. 맛있다. The opposite word of 맛있다. Not tasty, not delicious. 맛없다. 맛없다. Next word is places. In Korean, 장소. 장소. So listen and repeat. 산. 산. It's a mountain. And convenience store. 편의점. 편의점. Airport. 공항. 공항. Library. 도서관. 도서관. Department store. 백화점. 백화점. Be careful with the pronunciation. 백화점. Next one, post office. 우체국. 우체국. Museum. 박물관. 박물관. Bank. 은행. 은행. Restaurant. 식당. 식당. House. 집. 집. Internet cafe. PC방. PC방. Market. 시장. 시장. Park. 공원, 공원. School is 학교, 학교. Hospital, 병원, 병원. Okay, it's your turn to say the word. First word, mountain, mountain. 산. Convenience store. 편의점. Airport. 공항. Library. 도서관. Next word, department store. It is 백화점. Post office. 우체국. Museum. 박물관. Bank. 은행. Restaurant. 식당. House. 집. Internet cafe. PC 방. Market. 시장. Then what's the word for park? 공원. And school. 학교. Hospital. That is 병원. Great job. So next one is the fixed phrases. There are some of the words that goes always together. So here, listen and repeat. 날씨가 좋다. 날씨가 좋다. Which means the weather is fine or the weather is good. So here the word 날씨, which means the weather. 좋다 is fine. So the weather is fine. 날씨가 좋다. 날씨가 좋다. Next one. 길이 복잡하다. 길이 복잡하다. 복잡하다. So 길이 복잡하다. The road is crowded. 길, which means road. 복잡하다 means crowded. So 길이 복잡하다, which means the road is crowded. The last one is 날씨가 따뜻하다. 날씨가 따뜻하다, which means the weather is warm. The weather is warm. 날씨 is the word for weather, the same as the first one. 따뜻하다 is the adjective for the word warm. So the weather is warm. 날씨가 따뜻하다. Listen and repeat one more time. First one, 날씨가 좋다. 날씨가 좋다. Second, 길이 복잡하다. 길이 복잡하다. Third, 날씨가 따뜻하다. 날씨가 따뜻하다.